Prestar is something that people like to do and sometimes they don't. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be a Spanish verb. The Spanish verb of the day is prestar. Prestar. This is a Spanish verb and it means to borrow or to lend. Prestar is a regular verb. If you want to know how to conjugate regular verbs, click here. Now let's see a few examples using prestar. ¿Me prestas tu lápiz? ¿Me prestas tu lápiz? A Miguel no le gusta prestar su carro. A Miguel no le gusta prestar su carro. Claudia me prestó su suéter. Claudia me prestó su suéter. Toma, te presto este libro. Tienes que leerlo. Toma, te presto este libro. Tienes que leerlo. El banco presta dinero a las personas. El banco presta dinero a las personas. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave more examples down below using prestar. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!